I'm gonna show you how to create a quote in Zoho Books. So to get started, you have to go to zohobooks.com. So from there, you just have to sign in into your account and then go into your dashboard. And so from once you are already in your dashboard, all you have to do is just go to the left side pane right here and then click on sales. And then from there, you just have to click on quotes again. It's either you can click already on the create new quote on the plus sign, or just click on quotes. So from here, you can just have to click on create new quote. Then after you click create a new quote, so from here you just have to fill up all the necessary details, from customer's name to quotes to reference, quote date. Also you can also input salesperson, the private project name, subject. Also from the item table, you can input what item you are selling, also the quantity, the rate, and the amount. Also you can add a slot or add more to the item. Also it will just automatically calculate once you input all the necessary amount or quantity. So from down here, you can just also add customer notes, or you can add the terms and conditions. Also you can then attach a file of the quote. So from here also you can click on email communications. Also you can add one, and then from here, if you just need additional settings or additional fade, after you're done, just have to click save and send, and that's it. That's how to create a quote in Zoho Books.